see what we don't see because we don't have wipers. Only tiny compared to the size of the windows. Essentially, you can only see straight ahead of you, but nothing where other boats may come in or other obstacles. Now you see the tower. Now you don't. So unless you're lucky enough that one of your guests is willing to go to the bow and wipe the wind screen the way you can see on this video, in bad weather, of course, because that is when it's needed. You need to have windshield wipers in each one of the three windows, not just one, and each one has to be as large as the window itself. Otherwise, you are like in a car of the 50s where you had only a tiny, tiny little windshield wiper that would not give you visibility in order to drive safely.